مصلحا ومجددا فارنوا بنظر طاهر وجناني.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Sadly, another tragic day for Ahmadis in Pakistan. Kamran Ahmed Sahib, an Ahmadi, was killed today at around 5:30 p.m. in Peshawar. He was 40 years old and has left behind a widow and 3 minor children. We offer our deepest condolences to the grieving family. May he rest in peace. He worked at one of the factories on industrial estate Kohat Road, Peshawar. He was at work when an unknown man opened fire at him. Thereafter, he died on the spot. He had no personal enmity with anyone. This is the second Ahmadiyya killing this year and fifth in the last 2 years in Peshawar. The government has continuously failed to protect the lives of Ahmadis living in Pakistan. We urge and demand the government to take strict action against the culprit and to put an end to the continuous barrage of hate speech and violence against the community.